Himanshi Shah from 11th Commerce B from Sri H.J. Gajera English Medium School. And today I want to share my thoughts with you on secret of success. So I would like to start with a quote which says, self-belief and hard work will always earn your success. That means we should have belief in ourselves that yes, I can do it and I will do it. That's what the attitude, positive attitude we should have. There are many people who have fear, who even don't try. They have fear of failure. That what if I fails? But it's a human nature that we have fear of before starting something new. But we should put our fear aside, accumulate all our courage and and believe in ourselves and go towards our goal. क्योंकि लहरों से डरकर नैया पार नहीं होती, लहरों से डरकर नैया पार नहीं होती और कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. So the first secret of success is believe in yourself, do hard work. Moving forward, I think the second secret of success is consistency. Be consistent in whatever you are doing. It's possible that you will fail once, twice, thrice or many times, but should not give up. Do not think that I can't do it, or do not think that it's not my cup of tea. Instead, find your mistakes. Find that what mistakes I had done because of which I failed and correct it and make sure that when you try next time, that mistakes won't repeat again. And yes, if you start rectifying your mistakes, learning and trying again, then definitely you will get success. Now, I would like to give example of Abraham Lincoln, who was the 16th President of America. But do you know, before getting elected as a President of America, he had failed 8 times. But he didn't give up. He had believed in himself and his goals. So he continued his activity and he gets success in his 9th attempt. Now I am remembering one poem that I would like to share with you. असफलता एक चुनौती है, उसे स्वीकार करो. क्या कमी रह गई देखो और सुधार करो. जब तक सफल न हो नींद चैन की त्यागो तुम, संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़ मत भागो तुम. कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती और कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. So the second secret of success is consistency. And even I think that our attitude and our thinking plays a huge role in success. And what we think, there are many people who think that I know everything and I don't need to learn anything, that I am at the top of my field. But that's not the attitude which we should have. We should have like that I know everything, but yet there are many more things which I need to learn, which as much as possible, as much as I can learn, I need to learn. And that's the behavior which will definitely lead us to success. And one more thing, that don't be afraid of your rejection. Instead, consider your rejection as your motivation. Don't let the negative energy come to you. Just think that I will be so successful that the one who rejected me will regret. And success is not overnight thing. It's a mixture of hard work, patience, consistency and self-belief. So don't get attracted by the people who get succeed overnight. Instead think that because there are many chances कि वो जितनी तेजी से ऊपर गए हैं ना, उतनी ही तेजी से नीचे आएंगे. So these were my thoughts on success. Now I would like to end my speech with a poem. राह में मुश्किलें हैं हजार, लेकिन तुम 2 कदम बढ़ाओ तो सही. तो राह में मुश्किल है हजार, लेकिन तुम 2 कदम बढ़ाओ तो सही. हो जाएगा हर सपना साकार, तुम चलो तो सही, तुम चलो तो सही. Thank you so much.